Do you want to know what's new in the latest update of X or formerly Twitter? Well, the latest updates to X formerly Twitter includes improvements to community management and DM scrolling. It also has a dedicated video tab for US users now and the ability to enable AI bots to create community notes. Additionally, there are ongoing discussions about X's future, including potential changes to premium features and updates to the terms of service and privacy policy. So community admins can now edit themes, banners, rules, and the invite-only status. The scrolling experience within the direct message has been improved for smoother navigation as well. A dedicated video tab replaces the community section for US users. So US users will get video section instead of this community's option. X is also enabling AI bots to help generate community notes. New X API endpoints are available for spaces, hiding replies, list, and batch compliance as well. Hope this video helped. So do like and subscribe and not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.